Quiapo Church, as well as a stretch of Quezon Boulevard leading to the church's entry and driveway, is clean and has been cleared to make way for DOH medical stations and a mini hospital of the Red Cross. And for good measure, a no-fly and sale zone is in effect, as well as a gun and alcohol ban to keep everyone in line, as our Bien Vinny Manalo enumerates in this report.
The management of Quiapo Church, police, and volunteers are all set and good to go today on the eve of the Feast of Jesus Nazareno. Rahab volunteers, in partnership with the PDRMO Bulacan, did a flashing or cleaning today on the main road of Quezon Boulevard besides Quiapo Church, because the medical station will be built here to serve as a mini hospital of the DOH and the Philippine Red Cross.
Dito po natin gagamutin yung mga ating mga debotong na kailangan ng medical attention, yung mga nasusugatan, dito po natin dadalhin.
There is also an ambulance and quick response team outside the church. A metal scanner and x-ray machine have also been placed at the Villalobos Street, the main entry point for devotees entering Quiapo Church. There are also barricades around the church. Vendors are not allowed around the church, especially on the main road of Quezon Boulevard, but a designated area was provided for them. The gun ban is also in effect beginning today until January 11. Also, the liquor ban will begin at 9 o'clock tonight until January 10. Also, a no-fly zone and sale zone around the Quirino Grandstand and Quiapo Church is on. Some roads in Manila will also be closed to motorists starting 9 o'clock tonight until after Traslacion completes its pilgrimage or trip tomorrow night. The management of Quiapo Church and Manila Police District keep reminding the devotees on the do's and don'ts of the celebration of the Festival of the Nazareno 2025.
Handa ang Quiapo Church na tanggapin at nakahanda kami kung sakaling dumami ang mga tao.
Meanwhile, Quiapo Church management has cautioned the politicians not to politicize the festival or event with their agenda, and instead leave the holy celebration alone to the devotees.
Ang pakiusap lang natin, huwag bahira ng politika. Sana yung isang araw na ito ay ibigay na natin sa mga devoto para sa kanilang pagninilay.
The management of Quiapo Church is also reminding the devotees not to approach the andas and climb onto it given the danger, and to speed up the movement of the procession. Bien Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.